Stampler Auctions invites you to attend an auction by order of the Internal Revenue Service on Tuesday, May 22nd in Hialeah, Florida. Details are available online at StamplerAuctions.com. By order of the IRS, Stampler Auctions sells all the assets of REESMAR Sales and Millwork in Hialeah, Florida. A complete 10,000 square foot, fully operational, well-maintained woodworking shop. Highlights are a Weinig Unimat 6-head molder, a Time Saver 1300 sander, shapers, rip saws, forklifts, spray booth. Entire plant, all to be sold to the highest bidder at auction, live or online, simultaneous bidding. Please go to StamplerAuctions.com or call 800-330-BIDS for more information. See you all there.